Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We are here at InfoComm 2023, and I'm in the Mago booth here at InfoComm with Christiano Fumagalli. How are you doing, Christiano?
Yes, thank you, Gary. I'm very happy to be this year with the first booth of Mago. So we have a very wide offering to show you.
And you also launched a brand new website today, right?
Yes, just launched. We have the Mago.io. That is a new brand website.
Mago.io. What is Mago? Mago is, imagine you have a building filled with 5 or 6 different displays, 5 or 6 different collaboration boards in different rooms. Let's say in some that you have Sony, and some you have Max Hub, and some you have Jupiter or whatever. You can have a standard user interface to collaborate and connect everyone to a room by using Mago. Mago standardizes the user interface. So, for example, here's the Yealink display. And you walk in, and if you want to make a video call, or you want to whiteboard, or you want to present, this is the user interface you get, right? So if you want to do a Zoom meeting, TV, but imagine if you don't have a touch screen in the room and you just have a Sony Bravia display. You can use a third-party controller and have the same interface. So if you have one room with a touch panel and you have a different room without a touch panel or without a collaboration board, same interface. You even have the ability to have that interface on an iPad, right?
Exactly.
That's the beauty of Mago.
That's the key, because a lot of customers complain about the design, that they have to create a design for wired touch controller. This is the solution.
Right, and it's the same interface regardless. And y'all are based out of where?
Sorry?
Y'all based out of Italy, right?
The company is based in the UK, the headquarters. I'm Italian.
All right, so that's the Italian in you is where the good design comes from.
Yeah, the design comes from Italian guys.
That's right. That's my point. That was my point. That's what you guys are known for, and this was beautiful. You've got a nice, simple design here, and regardless of whose interface or whose board you're using, you get the same interface. So you don't have to retrain somebody on how to use a room.
Exactly. Another killer application is a way to change the background and the corporate logo, so the brand identity for customers is very
customized.
Yeah, exactly.
And you're showing it here on a Yealink board, on a Jupiter, and on a Max Hub, but also on a personal collaboration device from Newline as well, the Newline Flex.
Yeah, it's a new device that is very powerful because there is PC built in, Windows 11, but it's easy to use. So you can just one tap like in the meeting room with your personal calendar, or bypass with the USB-C cable and connect camera microphone to your laptop.
This is beautiful. This is really well done. So tell me some of the applications that you have on here that are critical applications that people might be interested in.
Yeah, so the platform is very secure platform. We can use any application or web browser application. You can publish an example application into the launcher and open securely, so the privacy is full guarantee. And then when you need to transport something into the workspace, you can just select part or full screen capture, and then you start your collaboration. So the brainstorming and the ideas came into the...
Is this also a whiteboard surface? Can I annotate on it? Show me how I annotate.
You can use also finger, or you can use a pen, and then there are a lot of functionality, unique because we have a lot of patents behind. Example, we can drag and drop 3D files, mixed reality. So we are working, an example, with real estate, automotive, and they can experience by scanning 3D with a lot of technology.
Yeah, and you have an interesting technology where you can actually use your phone. You can go to a car, scan it in, like take a picture of it, scan it in, and it'll actually appear on the display. Part of Mago, it's built in.
Yeah, it's the free companion app, and then if you want to create this 3D content, you can use LiDAR scanner, drone with photogrammetry, or photogrammetry built into our app.
Do you have the ability to demo that really quickly? Is that something that's complicated, or do you think we could pull that off on an on-the-fly demo here? What do you think?
Check, because we have an internal limitation.
Yeah, of course we've got an internet, but if you imagine you have a facility with lots of different kinds of collaboration boards, you now have a standard user interface for all those different boards.
Exactly. It's a standard framework. We offer private cloud, on-prem deployment, as well as any Azure or Amazon cloud. For customers, it's important because switching between video conferencing, they are thinking that the data are shared with many providers. In this case, it's secure. And they work also full on-prem for government, military, school, universities. So it's a way to implement a very secure framework for collaboration.
Is this all available now?
Everything is available now. It's a version 5.5, so it's 7 years of development, because we started with many important brands in white label, including Epson, Ricoh, Smartech, and many others. And now we decided 1 year ago to exit with Mago solution, previously Valeria.
Come here and look at this. Come
Okay,
grab this.
This car was scanned by me at ISE 2023. So it's 3D car scanned with LiDAR, not with photogrammetry, and I can place physically here. So from Barcelona, now we are in InfoComm, and okay, we can also move, show the details, and if I press the shoot, the picture came into the canvas, and now, it's not connected to the room. I can connect to this room or personal room device or any meeting room board, and then the whiteboard is opening into the screen. I can continue my meeting in a big screen. Now it's downloading files, 3D, and also the picture that we just taken.
So you have to wait for it. 67% done. You just have to wait for it to finish loading.
Yeah, because we have a very low band.
Yeah, we're on a trade show for it. And that was done all in real time. That's pretty amazing.
And you can also screen share in video conferencing, showcasing the mixed reality remotely with the object. And now we are working with the luxury brands very well, because they have this type of application for showcasing objects from Japan to Italy to any other place in the world.
This is amazing. So you can learn all about this at mago.com. We're actually go and shoot individual product videos. Here it goes. It's loaded here. Just got slow bandwidth is all we had to do with.
Yeah, it's low bandwidth. So here we have the physical object, but also we have the shooting.
All in a matter of just a few seconds, and you need a little bit of bandwidth, right?
Yeah, it's 1 megabit, the bandwidth, but here today it's very, very, very crappy.
We're on trade show Wi-Fi. Christiano, congratulations. And definitely check out their new website at mago.io, mago.io. And we're going to go shoot individual product videos now here and also over at the Yealink booth for Mago. If you want to see those and you want to get a full demo of how this works and how you can integrate this into your facility, go to raypubs.com/infocom and type in Mago, M-A-G-O, in the search window. Thank you.